I often trade in the H1 1 hour. Trading is a part-time, especially with a new trader. They should start slowly. Okay.
Hello, Loi. How are you, sir?
Hello. Yeah, very fine. Thank you.
Good to hear. So, welcome to the interview. Could you tell us a little about yourself and your trading career so far?
My name is Loi. I'm from Vietnam. I'm 39 years old. Yeah, I live in Hanoi, and I already have 5 years joining the market.
5 years of trading experience. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay.
But I think now it seems that everything is just start with me. I mean that I just maybe get a little bit of the profits.
Yeah. Okay. So the process has taken you a number of years to become profitable. So what changed over that time? What have you changed? What you're trading? Have you changed your style of trading? What made you consistently profitable? Can you put a finger on it?
You mean about my training for the trading, right?
Yeah.
Actually, I graduated from the technology university. I don't have so much basic knowledge about the academy, about the financing. Yeah, and when I joined the market, I try to study it myself via the internet. I joined some training course from the YouTube.
Yeah. Okay. What did you watch on YouTube? Which particular strategies did you study?
I watched some series, but it's in Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so a local trader.
Local language. Yeah.
Okay. And what did he teach you?
It teach me anything that I don't understand. I will search and try to study it one by one. Yeah.
Okay. So, technical indicators, fundamentals, what sort of thing?
I study from it a lot, but I think that's the most important teacher with me is that the experience when I trade in the ring account. That means when I get the stop loss, when I lost, I will study much more.
Okay, you think the experience, the time has helped you become a better trader. So, okay, so are you full time now, or are you still part time?
Trading is a part time with me.
Part time, yeah. Okay, fits in with your other job and so. How do you fit that in with your schedule? Do you trade in the evenings there or in the mornings? What are you looking to trade? What sessions?
Actually, I don't have the favorite section. Because I have another business. So sometimes I check the chart, but sometimes I cannot check it. So I don't have the favorite section. I just watch and wait the check.
Okay. So what time frame do you trade? Do you trade the higher time frames, or you're more of a scalper in the lower time frames?
I think that is I often trade in the H1 1 hour.
1 hour.
And I will look for the 4 hour and day and week time frame for the reference.
Okay, so more of a higher time frame trader, right? Okay, so what assets do you trade? Do you have any favorites?
I think that is pound and USD,
Cable.
and also Euro and USD.
Yeah. Okay.
Sometimes I trade Dow Jones Index.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so mainly FX, the FX majors and the US indices. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I think that it's a good currency.
They're good. They're volatile. They're popular. Good spreads. They can offer some good opportunities for sure. So, what brought you to FundedNext? Why prop? Why did you reach out to them?
You mean why I know about FundedNext, right?
Yeah. Why did you choose FundedNext over any other prop firm? Yeah.
Actually, I joined some group via the Telegram about they review about the prop firm. Yeah. And I saw that FundedNext is I think top 5 of the prop firm.
Yeah.
So I joined when I get the bonus from FundedNext. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So recommendation from a fellow trader. Right. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. So are you funded now, or are you still in the evaluation process?
In FundedNext, I just in the evaluation. I have 2 accounts. I have 2 express accounts.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they own in the evaluation.
Okay. Express accounts, so the one with the no time limit, so you can take your time with the 25% profit target. Sure. Okay. Good choice. Okay. So can you share with us any idea about what you look for in a trade? What is your strategy? What are you looking for in a setup? What makes you enter a trade and thinking it's going to go in your favor?
You mean that my strategy for the trade, right?
Yeah.
I think that's I decide to place the order when I have a watch. I patient. I wait for the change. For example, when the price come to the support level or resistance level, and I also see some indicator like EMA or ATR, some Bollinger Bands. Yeah. And if I think that's now is a good chain for me, I will join it.
Okay, so you use traditional indicators, so moving averages, Bollinger Bands, things like that, to give you an idea of where prices maybe were oversold, overbought, and then pushing into some kind of support, resistance, zones, etc. Right. Okay. So just the usual traditional retail indicators. Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And actually, I think that's after a long time join the trading, I see that the indicator is not the most important thing.
No, not
just,
at all.
Just for me, some advice. For the trading.
So, exactly. Yeah, don't trade directly off indicators. No, that's a fallacy. Yeah, so use them to give you some kind of confluence, but yes, you should have some kind of strategy, which definitely. So can you tell us a little about your say you're currently in the evaluation process? How is that going? Are you moving towards that profit target?
Sorry, can you repeat?
How is the evaluation process going? Are you slowly moving towards that 25% profit target?
With my evaluation process, my strategy is to get the profits very small, one by one, slowly. Yeah.
Yeah.
For example, 1 month I just target is about 1 or 2 or 3% of the account. That is good for me, and I will stop when I get this target. Normally, for example, with my 13k, 15k. Normally, I will stop when I get the profits about 3 or 400. Yeah, so it's about 2%.
Yeah. Okay. So you've got a set idea of how much you risk, and then how much you look to make per trade. And once you've made that amount, you close the trade out, and then look for further setups. Something like that. Yeah.
Let's see. Actually, I don't have the fixed risk for each trade. Yeah, but I estimate it's about 0.5 or 1% for lost trade. That is the maximum, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. So 0.5 to 1% of your current account balance. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sounds like a good good risk reward. Yeah. Okay. And you're looking to make, on average, what, 2-3% per trade, something like that. Yeah. And you say your risk is about 0.5 to 1%.
Yeah.
Of your,
that is the maximum.
Yeah. And what is your reward for that trade? Are you looking for what, 2, 3, 4%?
No. Actually, I for each trade, I think that I guess the risk is 1.5 and 1.2. That is okay with me.
Okay,
yeah,
so you go for
I do not expect so far.
No. Sure. So you look for just a slightly positive risk reward. So maybe just 1.2, 1.5 risk reward. Yeah, I mean that's it's a good sweet spot. 1.5. Most trades tend to hit with a good strategy. 1.5R. So yeah, it's a good slow, constant win rate.
That is my my opinion.
Can you share your win rate? Do you know what it is?
Actually, I do not remember.
No. Okay. But probably something.
I often forget the trade after I get it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you're sort of one of those traders where sort of you enter a trade, set the stop, set the take profit, and then just walk away.
And actually, with my personal and another funded, I present like this. But with my Express account in FundedNext, I do not set like this because of the ruler of the news trade.
Yeah.
So normally I will not set the stop loss or take profits because when the news is appear, it's very easy for me to reach the stop loss or reach the profits, and I will be flagged at the violation.
Yeah.
So with my Express account, I do not set.
Okay, sort of manage it manually, so to speak.
Yeah,
manually. More of a discretionary trader. Sure. Okay, that's good. Okay. You mentioned earlier that the journey has taken you some time to achieve profitability. Can you give traders out there any suggestions, any recommendations on how to remain positive when you're sort of slowly going through that process? Is there any psychological advice or financial advice or just generally any advice that you could give out to traders out there?
Yeah, actually, from my experience, I think that with the trader, especially with the new trader, they should start slowly. If possible, let's try to trade with a demo account, or if if you want to have the good feeling, maybe you should try in some challenger like FundedNext account. But remember that if you it seems that when you go slow, you easy to get the target, and if you go quick, you will easy to fall. That is from my experience, myself.
It's good advice. It's good advice. Take it easy, take it slowly, be patient.
And also when before you place an order, please have a watch carefully and patient, waiting until you feel that this chain is really good for you. So after that you can join it. Because it's do not FOMO. That is
no impulsive trading. No FOMOing in. And maybe, like you say, start with a small account, so your emotions are not so taking over your trading, I think, is probably the thing. So like you say, either demo or maybe a small funded account.
Like me now, I just working with small account.
I think it's a good advice.
After I fail with my personal account.
I think, well, we've all done that. We've all blown accounts, so it's nothing to be ashamed of. So it's the normal run of events. So what got you into trading? What attracted you to this sort of career path? Was it your studies, your qualifications?
Actually, for me, my plan is just I will try to expand the funded account as big as possible, and one by one, slow. So
the plan is this is to be a long term.
That is a long term, and I think that's for trader. It's better for you to join the pro firm. The funded account is better than you practice, you trade on your personal account. I think so.
Nice. Certainly more scalable. Allows you to, like you say, slowly build up a large account over time, and then it certainly can be a solution for a long-term solution as a career. So. Any other suggestions or advice for traders or FundedNext? Anything FundedNext could improve on their offerings?
I think FundedNext is really good. As I see, we are the first, almost the first company that we remove the limit of the day for the evaluation. That's very convenient for the trader. From my side, I think that with me, I just concerned now is the ruler about the news trading. I think that is not really good because as you know, with a trader, when you place an order, it's better if you set the stop loss, set the profits. But with me, I cannot do it. As I already mentioned with you before, that if the news is appear, it will very easy to take the profits or take the stop loss, and after that, my account will become violation. That is, I think, the news trading ruler is not really good. Maybe we can modify that during the news trader cannot place the new order, but the order can be stop loss or can be take profit during the news. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, exactly. I
think you got it?
I think existing orders should be allowed to sit in the market. Yes, if you're in a position and you're managing it correctly, I don't see why the news should be influential in whether that trade is allowed to be on or not. Yeah, no, I agree. Maybe
that is my opinion.
Yeah, I think that maybe we could look into that for sure. It's a good suggestion. Anything else they could improve on? I mean, we've got no time limits. We've got good spreads. We've got a good execution. We've got MT5 now. So things are looking pretty good at FundedNext.
Yeah, I think we have many platform that is also good for the trader. But for me, I just try for the MT4. So I don't have any other comment.
Okay.
That is
good. I'm glad you're happy with it. All right. Well, thanks, Loi. Thank you for taking the interview. Thank you for your time. Good luck with the evaluation.
Thank you.
Hopefully you get the profit target in not too long a time. So okay. Good to speak to you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for the time. Yeah. I wish us FundedNext will expand the business more and more, so that I can have chance to expand my my account, and also maybe later, if possible, we will meet again for another talk. Yeah. I hope so.
Hopefully. Look forward to it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Loi. Okay. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.